Hey there, this is Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and today I'm going to be doing a yarn review for this brand new Mandala Watercolors yarn that I was sent. Now they did send me this yarn free of charge in exchange for my honest review, and I'm going to take a look and tell you a little bit about what I find. Now it is my opinion and it could vary from yours. So take that as it is. So we've got 3 different shades here of the Mandala Watercolors. It is a size 5, I believe. Yep, size 5 bulky roving yarn. And when I checked the website, it says that Mandala Watercolor gives your favorite yarn cake an almost hand-dyed look. The tonal variations blend like brush strokes as you work through the cake. This soft to the touch single ply roving style yarn is a blend of 75% acrylic, 15% wool, and 10% nylon. On the website there are 6 different colors listed, and the colors I have here are I've got icy grape here. Let's see. Oops, help if I see what I'm doing. Quarry. And this gorgeous pink one I'm really, really drawn to is called Teaberry. So very soft. It's a roving style, so it's obviously got that tiny bit of a halo because it's not applied yarn. And one cake is 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, and that means there's 164 yards or 150 meters. It's machine washable on gentle and lay flat to dry. And as I'd already mentioned, it's 75% acrylic, 15% wool, and 10% nylon. So the recommended hook size is a 6.5. And this is, if you've worked with their, what's it called? The Mandala, I think it's called the Mandala Tweed. I used it in the fall and winter for a scarf pattern, and they had this same note on that yarn that says balls from the same dye lot may differ due to the unique effect within each color. This is the charm of the yarn. I know that some people that's a deal breaker. They really want that consistent look between yarn cakes, but not a deal breaker for me. It's just kind of like if you're using actual hand-dyed yarn, there is going to be some differences, so just be cognizant of that. And if you're using more than one ball in your project, you can alternate every few rows or as you deem necessary to minimize the noticeability of the differences in the cakes. So this purple one here is like a light purple. It's got a little bit of like some browns on it. And it looks like it goes all the way through. So there's like some light browns, whites, pinks, and purples in this one. This one is like a bluish gray and black, and then like the pinks and fuchsias. And then it does vary throughout. I've did a quick swatch, and I'll show you that, with a 6.5. I do try, when I do my swatches, I tend to start with the recommended hook size, just so you can see what to expect. So this is just a few rows of single crochet done up in the quarry. And you can see it's much more noticeable on the camera than it is in person, that variation from the light to the dark. And I haven't even really gotten to the really dark part of the cake yet. Again, the yarn itself is very soft. I personally would probably want to go up a hook size or 2, just because it's a relatively stiff fabric, and I'd like something with a little bit more flex and drape if it's possible with this yarn. But taking it, I can't get this right now in Canada at Michael's. I haven't seen that yet. Hopefully we'll get lucky and it's available in the new fall products that Michael's are bringing out soon. And if not, it is definitely available on the Lion Brand website. And if you're interested in checking them out, I'll make sure I put a link in the description box below for you. And that's it. Let me know what your thoughts are if you've tried this yarn and what you think that we should make with it. And if you like free crochet patterns, don't forget to check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.